Let's make this amazing puda, also known as chilla, which is just a pancake made using different flours. The first flour used here is chickpea flour, which is also known as besan. It's a gluten-free flour, so if you are looking for a gluten-free recipe, this could be a really good option for you. The next flour I am going to use here is semolina. Let's add both of these flours in equal quantity, but as I said, if you are looking for a gluten-free option, you can skip semolina. I am using half a cup of chickpea flour and half a cup of semolina. Transfer this 1 cup of mixed flour to a big bowl. For 1 cup of flour, you need 1 cup of water. Whisk your flour really well. You just have to remove all the lumps from this. So once this mixture is ready, add half an onion, 1/4 of a green pepper, half tomato. You can also add 1 green chilli for the spiciness. Now let's mix these veggies as well. Next I will add some spices here. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of spicy red chilli, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I will also add 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now let's mix all of these spices. And I forget to add half a teaspoon of carom seeds, which is also known as ajwain. So you can see the thickness of this mixture. This thickness seems right and you are ready to make your pudas. But if you want thin pudas, I would suggest you to add 1/4 cup of water to this. Let's mix all of this really well, and now you can see this mixture is a bit watery, which is actually good. You will need a flat pan for this. Keep it on medium heat and add some cooking oil. It doesn't matter if you are not using a non-stick pan, but wait until this pan and the oil is hot. So once your mixture is on pan, take out your credit card. Just kidding guys, use any card and spread it gently to make it thin. Don't worry about the shape at this stage. You can see as this puda is getting cooked, its color is changing. Once it is firm, flip it gently. If you want a really crispy puda, keep it on medium heat for at least 5 to 7 minutes. And that's it, your puda is ready guys. You can enjoy this puda with tomato ketchup, green mint chutney and yogurt. You can see this puda is crispy, but it's really soft. In the same manner, make more pudas with the remaining mixture. To speed up the process, you can use 2 flat pans at the same time. Try this out at home and let me know how it was. And for other Indian food videos, you can subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.